How to transfer files between Dropbox accounts. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this All Files option, and then after that, if you scroll down, it will show you all the files and folders that you have on your account. So how do we share or transfer files between Dropbox account? What we need to do is to create a shared folder. To do that, we'll have to tap on this Create option, and then tap on the Folder option, and then in here tap on the Shared Folder option. After that, we'll have to create a name for our folder. So as an example, I'm gonna type here to transfer files. After that, we'll have to tap on Create option, and then in here what we need to do is to type the email of our other Dropbox account. So as an example, I'm gonna type my other account here, and then after that, we'll have to tap on the Share Folder option. Once we're done with that, we'll just have to go back. And then as an example, I'm going to upload a file for this folder. So I'm just gonna tap on this Upload option and then Upload Files. So in here, I'm just gonna select a random file, and then after that, tap on Open. So as you can see here, the file is already uploaded. The next thing that I need to do is to open my other Dropbox account. So my other Dropbox account is on my phone, and then in here, if I scroll down, as you can see, the shared folder automatically appeared here since I already accepted the invitation. And then if I open this one, I can see the files for this folder. So that's how easy we can transfer files between Dropbox accounts. All you need to do is to create a shared folder and then upload those files. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.